But Mom, I'm saying they're saying I did a retail theft situation for milk and chips and dog items.
Please, you're trying to bite me now?
Yeah.
We've been more than patient with you. All right, now you're being charged with...
Oh. Allegedly, this is an attorney from Yale. And after this, she ends up going to jail. And that's the name of this video, entitled Attorney Goes From Yale to Jail. I had to get out of Florida, so now we're in Illinois. She's at Walmart and shoplifting for some reason.
Not steal chips and dessert for my kid's party.
Do me a favor, just take your hands out of your pockets. Okay? Thank you. So what happened?
Nothing. He's like, I have all my receipts. He's like, oh, we have to go to the office and verify.
Okay. What happened?
Look, my cards are here.
Okay, I get it. Do you have your driver's license, first off? So I know who I'm talking to.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But look at me.
We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
But, okay, I have to go pick up my son.
Okay, well, right now, we have to deal with this.
No, I have to go pick up my son. I will leave the cart.
I need your driver's license.
I'm leaving the car.
No, you're not free to go right now.
Well, someone else is picking him up.
I am free to go.
No, you're not.
Yeah, because I will leave the car.
No, you're not, because we're
I have
investigating
enough
a crime
money
right
that
now.
I can leave the car.
Okay, well,
I don't
we're
give a
investigating a
care
crime
about
right now.
chips and...
I get it. Okay.
No,
You
I
need
will
to
leave the
relax.
car.
No.
I don't care about groceries.
Okay.
Okay, my license is in the car. And I'm like, where did I park?
Okay.
So what I can give you is my passport card. You know?
Passport card.
Here, my passport card and my birth certificate, since I'm effing brown and second generation, but I have to carry that around.
So tell me what happened.
Nothing. I walk out like I always do, say hi to my, Down syndrome friend at the exit door, and this guy chases me down saying, "You look shady," and
he would
show
be
me
right.
your receipt.
Okay.
And I did.
Where did you pay at? Hang on.
I doubt he said that to her.
My cart is here. My cart is here between the cars. Where did I pay at?
Yeah, where did you pay at?
At the register.
What was your name?
Uzma. Yeah, reverse my card. Yeah, and he goes,
So what happened?
Uzma.
nothing. I always say hi to my friend Linda on the way out,
Okay.
and I did.
Here, let's be careful
And
not
we
to
were-
scratch their car.
He returned all this dog items.
So what is he saying that you took?
I don't know.
Okay.
It's just chips and dessert for my kid's party.
All right.
For Valentine's Day. Look, Tostitos dip, desserts, and chips. It's milk, too.
So were you scanning stuff? Were you at the self-checkout?
No.
Where were you at?
The lady
You were actually at a register.
And there's like receipts. I don't know if he took them and walked away with them.
Okay. All right. Well,
He took them and walked away with
How
them.
about this? Can she make her way
Yeah,
back into the
let's-
store?
I can't.
we
I
have
have
to
to go
right
pick up
now.
my son.
well,
At this point-
unfortunately, you're not free to go right now.
Can I leave this then?
No.
I will leave it.
No.
Guys, I have to
You
go.
cannot right now.
can't leave.
I can leave that.
No, you
I have
can't.
to pick up my
No,
son.
you can't.
I don't want to have to
I
detain
don't
you.
live in Darien.
Hey,
Okay,
I
I
don't want to have
understand.
to detain you in the back of the
You're
car.
making this into a way bigger
Whoa.
than it needs to be.
Guys, I'm not a young spring chicken.
Okay, but you have to understand.
I'm an attorney. I know my rights. If
That's
I leave that,
irrelevant right now. Okay?
I have the right to leave the premises.
You do not.
That's what's holding me here.
No,
I
it's
do.
not holding you.
I'm not under
The
investigation.
longer this
The longer this goes,
I
Yes,
want
you
to
are.
leave with that. I'm under investigation.
no, you've already left the store. So he's called
You
us
left the
saying you
store.
stole from the store.
I didn't steal from the store.
Well, he's
If I
saying
stole-
She just admitted it because she's like, if I leave with this, I'm under investigation. No, if you leave the store with the stolen goods, then you're under investigation, attorney.
Or it's right
Who's
there.
not?
this is what we need to figure out.
Let's
If
go
you did
figure it
nothing
out.
wrong, we'll figure it out.
But I have
and
to
then
go pick
we'll
up my
leave it.
son, and he's waiting outside.
Okay, we'll figure it out here quick.
No.
Where do you live?
In Downers Grove.
Okay, we could send a Downers Grove unit over there to make sure he's okay until we get this figured out.
No, but my son is not in Downers Grove. He's in Lyle.
Okay, well, then we'll
Send
send
a
Lyle
Lyle unit
over
over
there.
there.
But I don't want
We
that.
have to
He
figure
would-
this out.
Okay.
I don't want
We don't have to figure it out.
Yes,
I will
we
leave
do.
that
No.
because I have more than enough
You are
money
not
to
leaving.
leave that
Okay.
and go shopping
I'm sorry,
elsewhere.
but if I just paid for a whole cart full of stuff, I would never leave it. I would right away be like, no, I'm taking my stuff, like I paid for it. Here's my receipt. Check everything, hopefully in a timely manner where I could pick up my son or not, or if not, then make arrangements. You know, I mean, you are a lawyer, I think.
I'm saying, look, my
I
son
don't
is
want to
special.
listen, I don't want to have to put you in handcuffs and
Yes.
detain you until we can figure this out. Just
You won't
cooperate
have to
with
do
us.
that. He's accusing me of stealing. He can have it back.
Okay. That's not where
I'm
we're at right
walking
now.
away.
No,
No, you're not.
This is the last
They're
time
about
I'm
to-
not going to tell you again.
Walk with
The
us.
next time you don't cooperate with us, you're going to go in handcuffs. So you're going to come back to the store here, and we're going to figure this out.
Wait,
like
really?
adults.
Yes.
That's exactly what's going to happen.
Okay, you can't just take this back in there and be like, she didn't
No,
steal. Just
we're
have
going
it
to
she's
figure it
back.
out
drunk.
with you in there. That's what we're going to
Listen, at best, if something did happen, they trespass you from the property and you never come back. At worst, right now, we got to put you in handcuffs and it gets a lot worse. So pick
And if it's
please
a few
your options.
If
items,
he accused me of stealing and I say I didn't steal,
Then they owe you a
Have
big
at it.
apology and you.
I'll get a refund from the
then-
app. Like literally,
then I
my.
guess Walmart will owe you an apology, right?
And you should probably call
No,
corporate
I-
then. Yes.
Well, yeah.
So
I
let's
will,
start
So let's go
walking in.
figure this out.
I connected my Walmart app to her register. Okay.
All right.
I paid with Walmart Pay. They
Okay.
will give me a refund.
Okay, we'll talk.
Okay.
We'll figure it out. Just
I'm not
listen.
even worried.
I know. Just
You don't
cooperate. I
understand.
understand. what
She's
you're
not
saying,
an
but the
attorney,
longer
by
that
the
we're
way.
arguing about this is, the longer this takes.
I don't think so.
I'm running for mayor of Downers Grove. I went to Yale and
Running for
Yale
mayor.
Law School. But I read and you don't know who you're with right now.
I'm not
Whoa.
with anybody.
You are. You
Okay.
are. Because you're taking this man who belongs probably like in a detention center back way by ICE. Okay? No, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding.
Walk on the
So
inside.
we can sort it.
Not kidding.
Okay. Well, this could be over within 10 minutes if you want it to be,
And-
or it can go on for 40 minutes.
Right.
So
Thinking of my
let's go.
kid.
Let's go figure it out.
He knows me. I'm friends with Linda.
We'll figure it out.
She sees me shopping here every day.
This could
Okay,
be a
we'll figure it out.
giant
Okay,
misunderstanding.
let's-
Keep walking.
My
Let's
effing
hurry this
God.
up.
What's up?
He's greeting you because that's his job. He's a
Let
greeter.
us know
I know
what's
my
up, so
rights.
help you out.
But I understand.
Like you said, we're here investigating crime. That's the
What?
only reason we're here.
What?
He called us saying that you stole from the store. We're investigating a crime.
Yeah, that's right. I stole Tostitos chips.
Hey, I don't know what to tell you.
Look at
We'll
what's in
figure
my
it out.
cart.
We'll figure it
Stole
out.
chips.
I'm wearing $1,000 socks,
Get it.
and I have a need to steal from the store.
See,
Well,
there you
then
go.
I think loss prevention is going to owe you a big apology if they're incorrect, then, right?
Yeah, you're gonna owe me a huge
All right,
apology.
sit down, sit down. All right,
I'm not sitting.
just sit. Okay, please. I'm
I
asking
don't have to
nicely.
sit if I don't want to.
Just asking nicely. Please sit down.
What's your name?
Officer Simic.
Officer Simic. Officer Versus.
Versus, yes.
I don't have to sit if I don't want to. I checked out.
Where was she at?
Okay,
I was
so
walking out very
She
casually.
says she went to a regular cashier.
she went to a regular cashier?
That's what she says.
No, she was at the self-checkout.
Were you at the self-checkout or were you at a cashier?
For one transaction, but I was at a regular cashier for my return of dog stuff.
You said you have a Walmart app or something?
Yeah.
Let's see
I
what
have
you
the
got.
Walmart app.
Scan and go?
And I used the Walmart Pay to pay for everything.
I've used the scan and go before. They're watching. You can't skip scan anything. And you better make sure that you paid for all your items. You don't want to mess with anything like Walmart or Target because they will have a running tab on you. They're always watching. They have facial recognition. They know who you are. Just letting you know, don't try it.
Like, you know like, look, you scan,
Yeah, I get
you
it.
scan Walmart.
Okay, pull up your history though so we can see what happened. okay?
Your receipts.
So today
Your
is
receipts are
February
right there.
12th, So she bought 13 items
On one transaction.
on one transaction. Okay,
Look at this, 4 milks,
Okay, and
chips.
what's the other one?
The other transaction shows
What did you say that she didn't?
salsas
What did you say she didn't
and
scan?
desserts.
What didn't she scan?
Okay, it was by the bakery, okay? and she was putting some stuff inside the plastic bag.
Okay, and what is it?
It looks like something from bakery. I was like taken aside.
I scanned all that.
Okay, well let's show me what you got.
No, I put it in my cart. Look at the bakery items.
So there.
That,
Can you open? Does it? If you
the
click
gooey
on
bars,
it, if you
and
click on that, does it get bigger?
yeah, the market gooey bars. and
What
the summer
what does
gooey
she have that you saw?
I tasted it, but I'm like, I'm gonna buy it anyway.
So these? Is this what it is?
Yes.
Okay, so
And
that.
the bars I took a bite out of.
And this one?
Yes.
Where's the other ones? Okay. So how many did you buy?
Those.
I know, but how many? How many?
There's another transaction with more.
Okay. Well,
These three.
okay. So this is what you're talking about. This stuff.
Yeah.
All right.
She may be trying to
I'm
confuse
misunderstanding.
everybody
There's another
with all these
transaction
different
more, and I can't
transactions
do the
too.
receipt.
So one of those was one, right?
Yes. And then there's more.
All right.
I took
Why?
a bite out of one to see what they're like, but I'm like, I'm gonna buy these anyway. I'm like, 'cause
Okay.
my dad will eat them.
Well, let's see if we can match them up, and then we can clear this all up. Okay?
Yes. Thank you, sir. I took.
Call over to customer service and ask what she returned and what she bought.
I returned tons of dog food that was in.
Tons of dog
the wrong
food and got a
dog
bunch
food.
of dog toys.
Yeah.
She returned
let me
stuff.
I bought the wrong dog food.
All right, let me go ask.
So wrong.
She didn't have to worry. Failure to appear to DUI. So they'll be friendly.
This is a return. That was
Oh, all
purchased.
right.
I'll show you.
An early car. So.
Let me go shop.
They may be stalling because she's got a warrant for DUI. Did she steal or did she not? What do you think? I feel like she did steal because she's got all of these different transactions with stuff on it, and she also returned stuff. So it's just like too confusing. Like, why not put everything in one transaction? Put back whatever you brought back. I just don't get it.
So you're saying at customer service, you return, I
was
assume
like,
at
I'm
$18?
returned it.
Customer service.
Was it $18?
No,
to
there was
return.
$18 and then another $21.
All right.
So it was like $40 worth of returns. And I said I'm gonna exchange it for this stuff.
Okay, gotcha. Let me go ask, okay?
Okay.
Should we move
And
that car or
he
not?
grabbed
I moved
the
both of them, so
papers
that's okay.
and receipts from me.
Okay.
He did.
Is the only discrepancy the returned item stuff? It wasn't anything else, was it?
No, it's just because she was at the bakery.
Eating
Okay.
this. And I'm like, I bought it. I paid for this when I was eating.
Oh, okay.
Look, it's on there.
All right. Do you need us to send somebody to get your son? Is that a real thing?
Yes!
Where is he at?
At his school, a special school for autistic kids in Lyle.
What's the name of it? Do you have somebody that can pick him up?
No. They'll wait for your phone.
Well, give him a call. I'm trusting in good faith that you're not lying to me, because here's the other deal. You got a warrant.
I know I do. It's for not showing up to court for a traffic ticket. I can show up.
I know.
I have to
We'll
go show
know
up for
one
it.
of two things can happen with the warrant then.
You have to go.
I bond you on it if they're okay with that. And that's what they do when DuPage County puts out a warrant. Or you have to get taken to DuPage County and get processed.
No, I've already spoken with.
I'm
and
going off
gotten
of what
taken
I'm
care of
just
it.
telling you what my dispatchers are telling me. They're confirming it. They're talking with DuPage County about it.
For traffic.
I understand we have that happen all the time, but you got to go to court.
I know.
It's a DUI.
I have a date set.
Then that's why they're confirming it.
It's in March.
This is why we take these steps to confirm the warrant. But it's been issued, so something's been signed by a judge for you. So
Yeah, Judge Guerin. I'm friends with him.
okay.
You remember what time you
She's
were
so
at
connected.
the customer service?
This is so ridiculous. I'm grocery shopping.
Is it on the receipt? Did she have a receipt at all?
No, she can't locate the receipt. She can't.
No, you have the receipt.
I will show you that you
All right, so
get it from your my hand.
where did you buy those at though? Did you do that? Where did you do that, the plush toys at?
At customer service.
He says you didn't do that, you just returned 2 like cartons of dog food, right?
No, it was a woman with like red hair.
Okay.
It was a woman
maybe
with
there
like
is some.
red hair. With,
Maybe
like,
there's some.
yeah.
I talked to the guy, so I don't know.
It was a woman
She
with
wasn't
red
up
hair. Her with like braids.
there. Yeah.
You guys, it's not that big of a deal.
Oh, unfortunately we were called here, so we have to investigate. You understand,
Okay.
right?
Okay. What can we do to remedy this?
That's up to Walmart. That's not.
Walmart, can I remedy this?
We can, but just we wanna verify everything with the things inside your truck and that's that.
Okay, so how would I correct this in your eyes?
Yeah.
Would it make you happy if I double pay for it?
I will not make you double pay if I locate the things.
Astaghfirullah, you are literally keeping me from getting my child.
I
No.
told you, ma'am, you can go
At this
and
point,
take
your
it.
warrant is.
What?
You have a warrant. I just explained that.
Yeah, for not going to court.
Yeah, it's a failure to appear warrant, which means you didn't go to court, and now you have to either.
It's for
A,
DUI.
be I bonded right now on the street with us.
What's going on with this
Pretrial
video?
release.
It's
Thank
like
you.
glitchy.
Or you have to go to DuPage County and get processed.
We're finding that out now, so.
It's one of two things that happen here. There was a warrant issued for your arrest.
I already took care of it. No, it's taken care
Where
of.
did you take care of it at?
With the judge, I have a quash
Okay, where's your paperwork?
issued. It's not on me,
Well, you're
but there was
supposed
a
to carry that
quash.
paperwork with you, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's not
Well,
on me.
you don't have it, right? That's the problem. It's in the system showing that you have a warrant. So that's what we're checking right now. It's possible they removed
No,
it.
that's what that
When
warrant
when
isn't
did you go to
giving me.
court?
I didn't go to court and talk to the judge. I'm friends with the judge. Judge Guerin, Daniel Guerin.
Oh, okay.
What was it?
Aggravated
friends with
DUI,
him.
no bond. You gotta, you're going to DuPage County. So we can arrange this. Told you to start calling somebody for your son. I have no choice in this matter right now.
You're
looking-
taking me to DuPage County?
Yes.
There's no bond on the
Like,
warrant.
at
So-
the DuPage County jail?
Correct.
Yes.
Hey,
This all started because of a couple of bags of chips.
okay, let me tell you. But it didn't need to get to that, right? You could have cooperated with them from the beginning, and we might not even be here. But
He
we're here
called the
now.
police. Like,
Okay, but listen, we're here now. Bottom line is, the judge says you didn't show up for court. The judge issued a no bond warrant
you
for
don't
you.
have to do this.
Yes, we do.
Actually, no, you don't.
Okay, we're not playing it. We're not going to play any games here. Okay, they say you have a warrant. Okay, we're giving you an
Darien Police.
We're giving you an opportunity to call somebody to pick up your son.
Start calling somebody if that's the case. Like I said, I gave you the benefit of the doubt if you were telling me the truth.
Okay, well, can the groceries I bought, like, can someone come pick them up?
Well, that would be up to them. Are we satisfied with everything that's in the cart? I'm leaving early. That she paid, but she's not listening to me.
You're literally sending me to jail.
Okay. He's not doing anything.
You are.
did that to yourself by
No,
not
I
going,
didn't.
by not going to
Everything
court.
was
Yes,
fine.
you did.
Oh.
No, Judge Guerin said I have.
She paid for everything, and there was some discrepancies. She says a couple of things of chips, and he's saying something from bakery, and then she had some returns. It's just too confusing. Like, if you're going to Walmart, go do the one thing you have to do and get out of there. If you start messing with all this stuff, paying for this differently, returning something, doing all that, they're gonna be looking at you. They're gonna be like, what scheme is that? So it seems like she's just probably intoxicated. I don't know. Her warrant is for DUI. She didn't show up to court, and now she knows the judge because she's very well connected. She's an attorney. They probably went to Yale together, law school.
Court.
Give him a call then. I don't know what to tell you.
Then I will call Judge Guerin at 5:33 p.m.
I get what you're saying. You told us many times. But what you're not understanding is a judge issued a warrant for your arrest. So we're commanded to
The
take
judge
you.
that issued the warrant is Judge Daniel
Okay,
Guerin.
well, that may be, but yeah.
Should be.
Okay, Darien Police, literally, this is not a big deal. You don't have to take me in because that's not your jurisdiction.
It doesn't matter. Whenever there's a warrant and it's in this county, we have to take you. Doesn't matter.
No, you don't.
Okay, I don't know where you. Again.
I went to law school.
Then I guess you need to
Okay,
familiarize
I don't know where you went to the academy.
Well, you need to familiarize yourself with how warrants work then, because that's not how it works here.
All right, well, I need a cigarette. I'm going outside to
No,
smoke.
you're not right now.
I'm going outside to
You
smoke.
are not, because you
I'm
are.
stepping outside to smoke. You can join
No,
me.
no,
Yeah, well, you can
one-on-one.
join me. I'm
No.
allowed to smoke under arrest.
Okay, we're not going to play this game.
Okay, I'm allowed to smoke under arrest. It's my car.
Simon, why don't you come back in here?
Wow, over chips and milk. I think that milk is spoiling.
No.
This is so ridiculous. I need to have this conversation without you breathing down my neck.
Well, you're staying in here. You're not free to leave, so.
Why can't I have a cigarette?
Because I said so. Because right now, you're in custody.
Mom, I'm not in custody.
You are.
Mom, I was buying milk and at Walmart, and this loser Arab was accusing me of stealing.
Wow.
I didn't, Mom. They're telling me I have a warrant.
Nasty.
Yeah, the loser manager here at Walmart thinks I was stealing. Yeah, I said, oh, I got so much money, I could buy the Walmart. I know, Mom. I know. I'm like, this. Yeah, the police officer even said I can't go outside to smoke a cigarette because I'm in custody.
That's not why they're taking you. It's the
I
warrant.
know. I was walking out of Walmart like I normally do, and you have to verify everything. And I think you stole this and that and desserts and milk. You know, for Dolce's party. I know.
Does she have an Illinois? Do you have an Illinois driver's license?
So
I don't
what are we
think that
doing?
matters with
What
Jerry, please.
are we doing here with this?
This is the transaction it's happened on customer service.
So
Okay.
she did.
She returned something or she put something on a debit card. That's it.
Okay. What's Walmart want to do?
Okay, we need a receipt for those things.
I gave it to you. I gave you like.
I'll
three
show you now
receipts.
that you didn't give me anything.
Right.
I handed you
I'm trying to
3
leave.
receipts.
I was like, they're not leaving me in custody. So.
No.
Okay, well, can I at least?
It
be
looks like
walked
there's
out
some stuff she didn't pay for. Or she can't prove she paid
Right.
for it.
Because I
That's
already
like a
explained.
need.
I already explained it to you.
That's like a need.
We have two different
No, it
situations.
looks like
a
We're
need.
figuring it out,
Are you out here?
Yeah.
It is not
No,
a need
they're
to
like-
smoke.
Two situations we're figuring out right now. You have a retail theft issue that's happening
A
here.
retail theft
Let
for
me-
milk
Can I
and-
finish a sentence, please?
Chips.
A retail theft situation that's happening here, and then you have your warrant situation.
Yeah, the warrant, I understand, but this is not a retail theft. No, Mom, the Darien police don't care about that. But Mom, I'm
You
saying
didn't
they're
pay
saying
for
I
the
did a
items?
retail theft situation
Yes.
for milk and chips and dog
it-
items.
No,
All of that is not paid for, or just the dog toys?
no, all of this.
No, you don't understand. This is on my digital receipt. That is on a physical receipt from the customer service.
Be a lot of money.
Like, look, this is on this
Dog toys,
receipt.
And then you could just bring it.
Bring her up.
The Walmart manager.
Deviation guard.
Yeah, this is on this receipt.
Okay.
I'm saying those I had already picked out. That stuff is on the receipt, which I exchanged for the stuff I returned. I already know that. I bit stuff out of this to taste it.
Those specific items, okay, let's count the items in her
See
shopping
how
cart.
you hear his accent?
Right.
Like I literally,
Oh my God.
no, what would you do?
11, 12, 15. Okay, there's the 15 items in her shopping cart. So this receipt, we done with it.
He's
Okay?
just doing his
Which will,
job. Come on.
I'll get the receipt for those items.
Can you provide a receipt for those items?
I gave it to him. I handed it to him. I don't know what he did with it.
How did you pay?
On the Walmart app, right?
So let's see it.
Somehow there's one picture.
Customer service. I returned bags and cans upon cans of dog food.
Okay. What does that have to do with those items?
And then I purchased those. It was like an exchange.
They were saying that you did not do that at
Exchange.
the customer service
For the
counter.
guy-
That's
for
not
the
how it
guy,
works.
He wasn't up there.
I was up there.
No. That other cashier was not up there when I went up there.
Okay, well, she
Right
is
here.
the one that did my exchange.
Can you call over there and see if you can talk to her?
Like,
You have
do
to
realize
repurchase
this
the
is
items.
The total
What?
And that's not dog food.
hilarious misunderstanding.
Well, the problem
Hilarious.
is you're the one.
What does that have to do with today, my being here?
What does that
shopping?
have to do with today?
My shopping being here.
She gotta
It has nothing
go.
to do with that, but
Yeah.
the reason you're standing here right now is more because of the warrant.
No, I don't think so. The reason I'm standing here is because, he was like, I want to verify that you paid for everything. You guys only just found out about the warrant because you called it in.
That's
They're
where
running.
police work, right?
No!
Yeah, running.
You want me to call it the police work?
You call it whatever you want.
Come on,
I'm on
attorney.
the opposite end. I'm an attorney. Okay. Okay, you know what I just found? I found 2 of the return things. This is everything I returned.
Yeah, so I would say forget that. Let's do the other.
Do you just want, at this point, since it's becoming that much of a mess, do you just want her trespassed? Because either way, I got to take her up to jail anyway. So
Yeah, he's gonna take me to jail thanks to you.
Come here.
And you don't have to take me to jail.
It's his job.
I do.
I mean, come on.
Karen has given me until March to come.
Judge Guerin.
Well, where's your
Judge
paperwork
Guerin.
that you said you had for that?
This is what I returned.
Where's
Okay?
your-
He took my receipt.
Where's your paperwork from the judge?
It's a quash order. I have a quash order at my house. I have a quash order at my house.
Instead of your passport card, you should be keeping that with you.
Mom.
You got to be able. You just purchased these items. You got to be able to provide a receipt.
I handed it to him. I literally handed it to him.
Then where did it go?
I don't know where it went.
When she handed me the receipt she returned with the.
He goes, this is the return receipt.
Look
I
at
go,
the
"No,
return."
the receipt is there too."
Okay.
Mom, remember I brought stuff to return to Walmart?
Go ahead.
I still
Yes.
another receipt for purchasing those items.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
She doesn't have them.
Yeah.
Look, I returned all this stuff.
I believe you.
I mean, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
I can write an ordinance ticket for retail theft. Like, you go to court, I'm putting you down as a complainant,
Yeah.
and you got to be able to provide proof of that then
Then she can
at
look-
court.
She can look for the receipt and she.
That's
can bring it.
fine. Bring it to court. All right, you got everything arranged for your son?
Barely.
What do you want to bring with you as far as you going? Do you want your whole bag? Like everything in there?
As far as my
It's just a lot of inventory stuff. If you can throw some of that stuff away, you don't need it.
Well, then
Was that
wait
for
till my
John?
mom gets here. She's gonna come grab my stuff.
I'm not waiting for your mom. At this point, once I get the amount of stuff that's being
Listen, you owe me that much because all that stuff is paid for.
No, we don't owe you anything.
that
okay?
is not paid for according to
Yeah.
him. That's the
Like my
problem here.
lawsuit against
Okay,
Gary
I'm gonna tell
Police
you
Department.
right now. You have a warrant. There's no quash order. Okay.
There is a quash order.
I looked in the DuPage system. There's no quash
There
order.
is a quash
All right,
order.
okay. Turn around and put
Call
your
the
hands behind your
clerk.
back. Right now.
No, I'm not gonna have you handcuff me.
Well,
in behind.
Oh, yes, you are.
Don't force it. Don't force it. You're hurting me.
Stop. You're gonna get charged with
Stop.
resisting in a minute.
Hey, asshole.
All right. Now you're gonna.
Listen.
Now you're under arrest for resisting too.
No, no.
Stop.
Yeah, yo, you're hurting me.
Stop.
Stop.
Hey,
Now you kick me.
Stop.
yeah.
She's gonna represent herself.
Done to you. Yo, you're
Give me a
hurting
couple more
me.
units over at
Yo.
Walmart, please. You're trying to bite me now?
Yeah, you're hurting me. You guys are being assholes.
We've been more than patient with you.
What do you mean patient? Because
More
what
than
have I done?
You just
I
tried to
haven't
bite me. That's-
done anything. Ow, what are you gonna do? Break my wrist? I said to handcuff me in front. Okay, ow.
You're not in control of
Stop
this.
moving.
You're hurting me.
Because you keep moving.
Well,
And now you're kicking me.
yeah, I
So you're
am.
biting me and kicking me.
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Well, you know what?
Well, now you're under arrest. You're being charged with resisting arrest.
Oh,
And you're
obstruction of
charged with
justice
prison.
and resisting arrest.
Yes, you are. We've been more
Get
than
out.
patient with you. All right, now you're being charged with.
Oh,
Knock it off.
Whatever.
some attorney this is,
You know
huh?
what? Literally,
Stop.
Kicking. Right now.
literally, I've been nothing but cooperative. And I'm telling you guys, you're not. Take no
Wow.
This is
No, you're not.
ridiculous what you're doing.
Kicking and biting police officers is not how
Oh,
you
really?
behave.
Oh, really? Okay, what about assholes that beat you up or punch you? You guys
boy
are
better
assholes.
move
You don't even let me
with his
smoke a cigarette.
With his bike.
Sit down now.
John 3, we have her in custody. Units can slow down.
Sit down.
Yeah, big guys you are. Literally. Look at the facts here.
Can you go over there and grab the seatbelt?
Yeah.
Wouldn't even let me smoke a cigarette. My purse is in there, asshole.
We will get it. Don't worry.
My purse and my phone are in there. You wouldn't
Not gonna
even
be, it's not gonna be long enough.
No?
No,
You can smoke a cigarette,
You
go in
wouldn't
jail,
even be
okay?
the least
Oh my
bit.
God.
You tried to bite me. I don't want to hear anything else.
I don't give a f.
I don't want to
You're the
hear anything
worst.
else.
In March of 2026, she was still in custody and denied bond, all right? So she may still be in jail. She's been there about a month, it seems. Apparently, Walmart determined there were 13 pieces of merchandise that were not paid for, totaling $68.47. And some of the items include dog toys and chocolate brownies. And you know what? This situation with Walmart did not help her whatsoever because she may still be in jail with the warrant. She was charged with retail theft, all right? So possession of displayed merchandise not exceeding $300. And she got a charge for resisting. Aggravated battery, that's probably on the officers. Additional charge, okay? She got driving with license revoked. This girl's a mess. What is going on? Take care of your business. 2 counts of aggravated DUI. And over here it says, it doesn't seem like she has kids. It says that she's a self-described dog mom. So the thing about the kid, that may have been a lie. The party, the kids' party that she was organizing wasn't for kids. It was a dog party for her dog Dolce, who she mentions many times when she's talking to her mom. And it is not clear whether she does have a kid or not. So we don't know. It's not clear if she is an attorney. She may be. I don't know why she would be acting this way or stealing, because it seems like she can afford $68.47. You know what? Some people actually do have issues with sticky fingers in the stores. And some of these people do have money. You just never know what's going on with this person. She should know better. She's an attorney. Anyway, best of luck to her. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.